Welcome to the August 2026 edition of Brainfeed magazine. Climate change is one of the greatest challenges facing our planet, but across India, young people are proving that age is no barrier to making a difference. Meet Lishipriya Kangojam, a fearless climate activist who founded Child Movement. After witnessing devastating cyclones and pollution, she inspired thousands of children to protect nature and helped plant more than 350,000 trees. Her message is simple: every small action matters. Next is Dev Karan, founder of Pandora. He is restoring polluted ponds and training students as pond ambassadors. These young volunteers monitor water quality and protect local ecosystems, showing that communities can safeguard precious water resources together. Piyush Jha transformed painful childhood experiences into innovation. Through his company, Vasudeva Water, he created technology that cleans industrial wastewater while generating electricity. His dream is to make clean water affordable for everyone. Aniruddha Vechya noticed the harmful smoke produced by traditional cooking stoves in rural villages. His team designed a smokeless stove that reduces indoor pollution by nearly 90% while using less fuel. This simple innovation is improving the health of countless families. Finally, Dwishojoyi Banerjee launched the Soft Move, turning old newspapers into paper bags. Students and volunteers distribute these bags to vendors, reducing plastic waste while supporting local communities. These 5 young climate heroes remind us that protecting the environment begins with everyday choices. Whether planting a tree, saving water, reducing plastic, or supporting clean technology, each action creates hope for the future. The future of our planet depends on all of us. Together, we can build a cleaner, greener, and healthier world, one small step at a time.